What's up mga kaguro at mga mag-aaral? Ako muli ang inyong online teacher, Sir Franco, para sa bagong aralin sa life and career skills. Ngayon, ang ating topic ay tungkol sa career advancement, training, coaching, and mentoring, promotion. Today, we'll explore the tools and strategies that help employees grow in the workplace, from training, coaching, mentoring, all the way to promotion. Alam kong exciting tong topic kasi parang glimpse ito of what your future work life will look like. Dito natin pag-uusapan kung paano ba nagle-level up ang mga tao sa trabaho, ano ba ang role ng training, coaching, mentoring at syempre promotion. Kumbaga, paano ka ba daang-daang umaangat sa career mo? Sige, simulan natin. This lesson helps you see how professionals move forward in their careers and how you can start preparing as early as now. So for today's lesson, ang goal natin is maintindihan kung bakit importante ang mga processes na ito sa career growth. Hindi lang kasi ito basta dagdag knowledge. This is about preparing yourselves para sa real world. Malalaman din natin kung bakit lifelong learning is super crucial lalo na sa panahon ngayon na mabilis ang pagbabago ang trabaho, tools, at expectations. By the end of this lesson, kaya mo nang ilista ang strategies para maka-advance sa career mo someday. Let's start with defining what is career advancement. Career advancement isn't just about promotions. It's about developing your potential and becoming better at your craft. Pag sinabing career advancement, hindi lang ibig sabihin nito ay promotion agad. It's really about becoming better, mas skilled, mas confident, mas responsible. Ibig sabihin, kahit hindi ka pa napopromote, uma-advance ka na kung napapansin mong nag improve yung work habits mo o kaya nagkakaroon ka ng new responsibilities. Tandaan, advancement is a journey, hindi trophy. Sa career advancement, apat ang main tools na ginagamit ng mga company. Training para mag-level up ang skills mo, coaching para i-guide ka sa mga specific skills or tasks, mentoring para sa long-term development mo, at promotion as a reward for consistent performance. Magkaiba-iba ang roles nila, pero sabay-sabay silang nagtutulungan para mapalaki ang growth mo. These four work together. Training builds skills, coaching sharpens performance, mentoring guides direction, and promotion rewards growth. Let's start with training. Training is basically learning pero structured, guided at may goal. Ito yung panahon na tinutulungan ka ng employer mong maging competent sa trabaho mo. Halimbawa, kung bagong hire ka, hindi ka agad ihahagi sa deep end. May onboarding, may workshops, may tools, orientation. Training builds your foundation para mapagaan ang trabaho mo in the long run. Companies invest in training so employees can do their jobs more efficiently and with greater confidence. There are different types of training. May on-the-job na actually doing the work habang ginagabayan ka. May technical training para sa tools and machines at soft skills training naman for communication, teamwork, and customer service. Ang maganda, lahat ito may purpose para hindi ka ma-overwhelm sa trabaho at para mas maging effective kang employee. Soft skills like communication and teamwork are just as important as technical skills. Both influence your growth. Why training matters? Training is the foundation of advancement. The more you learn, the more opportunities open for you. Grabe kalaki ang epekto ng training sa productivity. Imagine mo na lang, kung hindi ka trained, mas madalas kang magkamali, mas mabagal ang workflow mo, at mas stressful ang araw-araw. Pero pag trained ka, mas confident ka, mas mabilis mong naiintindihan ang tasks, at mas nagagawa mo ng tama ang trabaho mo. Kaya malaking indicator ang training kung ready ka na ba for bigger roles. Let's have this situation for our first aspect training. Picture this. May bagong employee sa front desk. Medyo kinakabahan, di pa sanay makipag-deal sa irate customers. Pero because nag-training siya on communication and conflict management, natuto siyang mag-handle calmly. Araw-araw pumapasa siya sa challenges niya. Over time, nagiging asset siya sa team. This shows how proper training can turn weakness into strengths. Next, we have coaching and mentoring. Magkamukha o magkaiba ba sila? Coaching guides you through immediate tasks, while mentoring prepares you for future roles. Coaching and mentoring sound similar pero magkaiba talaga. Coaching is short-term and immediate, usually task-based, parang tutor sa specific skill. Mentoring naman is long-term guidance. Parang may kuya or ate ka sa workplace na tumutulong sa'yong mag-navigate ng career mo. Both are super helpful in growing professionally. Coaches help employees overcome challenges by giving clear and constructive feedback. Ang coach doesn't just correct your mistakes. They help you understand why you're doing a task and how you can do it better. Coaches give you direct feedback para ma-improve mo agad ang performance mo. Kung gusto mong mas mabilis ma-promote someday, yung consistent coaching sessions mo are big stepping stones. Mentor, on the other hand, is like a long-term guide who sees your potential and helps you maximize it. A mentor is someone na hindi lang tumitingin sa present performance mo, kundi sa future mo. Sila yung nagsasabing, okay, ito yung strengths mo. Ito ang career path mo. Ito ang dapat mong i-improve. They help you avoid career mistakes and give you insider wisdom na hindi mo mababasa sa mga search engines like Google. Now, why these two matters? Kung may mentor or coach ka, mas mabilis kang mag-grow. Hindi ka nag-iisa sa journey mo, may gumagabay, may sumasalo pag nagkakamali, at may nagtutulak sa'yo na i-elevate ang sarili mo. These relationships actually boost confidence and readiness for leadership roles. These relationships can lead to growth that no amount of training alone can give. Let's have another workplace situation about mentoring. Imagine a senior nurse guiding a new nurse, teaching the right protocols, providing moral support, helping sa first few months na nakaka-overwhelm. Eventually, the new nurse becomes more skilled, more mature, and more reliable. That's the power of having a mentor. And this is a common real-world example of how mentoring speeds up growth. Next, we have promotion. Promotion is the most visible sign of career advancement. Promotion is the most visible sign of career growth. Tumataas ang salary, responsibilities, at expectations. Pero tandaan, isn't just a reward, it's a sign that your employer trusts you with bigger things. Why promotion happens? Companies promote people who consistently deliver results and show readiness for bigger roles. Hindi lang sa performance nakabase ang promotion. Kasama rito ang attitude, reliability, teamwork, at initiative. Kahit sobrang galing mo pero mahirap kang ka-work, mababa ang chance mong ma-promote. Companies promote people who are both skilled and good team players. What are the promotion benefits? Promotion motivates employees and rewards hard work. Promotion boosts your confidence and validates your hard work. It also challenges you to grow more kasi syempre, bagong role na yan. So, panibagong learning curve. Pero at the same time, mas fulfilling kasi you're entrusted with broader responsibilities. Let's have another workplace situation now for promotion. Let's say may isang employee na laging nag-volunteer for projects, laging on time at willing tumulong sa teammates. Over time, napapansin na siya. Eventually, siya ang magiging next team leader dahil consistent ang performance at behavior niya. This shows that consistent effort and initiative really matter. Next, we have lifelong learning. The workplace evolves, so we must evolve with it. Lifelong learning means continuous improvement. Hindi natatapos ang learning sa graduation. It continues through certifications, seminars, trainings, and even self-study. In a constantly changing world, dapat lagi tayong updated. What is the importance of lifelong learning? Employees who keep learning progress faster and stay relevant. Kung lifelong learning ka, mabilis kang maka-adapt sa bagong trends. Employers love that. You become more competitive, more confident, and more to open to opportunities. Para kang smartphone na laging updated, mabilis, efficient, at reliable. Now, what are the strategies that you can do in the future for career advancement? Ang mga employees na active maghanap ng learning opportunities ang madalas nakakaangat. So that is our first strategy. Seek training. Training is an investment sa sarili mo. Every new skills adds value to your resume and performance. The more skills you have, the more valuable you become. Strategy 2, of course, you must build relationships. Networking isn't about being close to the boss. It's about collaborating well, building trust, and connecting with people who can guide or support your growth. A single mentor can change your entire career direction. Strong professional relationships open doors you didn't know even existed. Strategy 3, show initiative. Initiative makes you stand out. It shows leadership potential. When you show initiative, you're telling your employer, I'm ready for more. Hindi mo kailangang maging perfect, but being proactive shows leadership potential. Strategy 4, reflect and improve. Self-awareness is key to sustain growth. Sobrang important ang self-evaluation. Tanongin mo yung sarili mo, anong strengths ko? Anong weaknesses ko? Anong pwede kong i-improve? Reflection helps you grow in a focused and meaningful way. And that's it for our discussion. Now let's move to the activities and assessment. First activity, career advancement pathway. Students create a three-step plan for their own advancement. This helps students visualize their personal growth path. This activity helps you visualize your future path. So gagawa kayo ng 3-step plan. Ano ang skills na kailangan? Anong training ang dapat mong kunin? At sino ang maging mentor? Mas concrete, mas malinaw. Let's check your understanding of the lesson. Sagutin ang quick check questions and see how well you grasp the key ideas on training, coaching, mentoring, promotion, and lifelong learning. And that's it for our discussion video about career advancement. Thanks to the development team of the Lesson Exemplar kung saan ibinase ang ilang bahagi ng discussion video na ito. Once again, I am your online teacher, Sir Franco. Thank you for watching.